Good morning, everyone. We got the first perch of the day. Beautiful sunrise and the fish on. First cast. Can't beat that. Love it. Drop shot. I think we got a halibut on here. First holly of the day, about 18 inches or so. Look at that camouflage. I think I got a halibut here, and I got something on this pole. Oh, oh! I think it might be another halibut. Am I getting action on two poles right now? No, I have grass here. Oh no, I have a little perch. Oh, whoa. There's a little perch on this one. I got the halibut on the other one. Oh shit. Oh yeah, baby, gotta release this one. Nice little fish. I'm gonna go ahead and release him. He's gonna be okay, guys, don't worry. Nice. There's a big halibut right here. I could see it. I just saw it in the water. It's right by the shore. Yep, we set him, boys. We got him. It's on, it's a good size, Oh, this one is a bit bigger. Oh, this might be illegal holly. Let's go measure him. Let's measure that holly that we just got. Oh! Don't go anywhere, buddy. Stay right here. And we got him exactly at 24 inches. That's 24. It's a keeper. Better than that, my favorite Lucky Craft. So this Lucky Craft lure Minnow is just perfect for Halibut. Anything in the surf. Look at that action. The fish on. Running. Halibut, another Halibut. Yeah, baby. One more, come on. Oh, he's running. Oh, he's running. Come on, baby, come on. Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Look at that, baby! Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Now that's a keeper Halibut right here. Probably about 24 inches. I'm gonna measure them right now. Yeah, Lucky Craft, baby, does it again. Woo! Woo, what a beautiful fish. Let me get a measurement on this thing. Woohoo! 25 and almost a half inches. Whoa, that is a beauty. That's my personal best here. I'm back home about to clean this fish which we caught earlier. It's 25 inches. It weighs 6.5, almost 7 pounds. Look at this fish. What a beauty. It's gonna have a lot of fillet. Beautiful white meat. So I'm gonna slice it up, fillet it. We're gonna make perfect Halibut Ceviche. Slice the meat in pieces. You can go super small. Got my fish sliced here, ready to go. Now we'll go ahead and cut my limes, 4 limes. Squeeze all of that stuff and goodness in there. halibut chunks are getting white. The lime juice is cooking them. While that, I'm gonna chop up everything very small. Go ahead, just throw it right in there. Just like that. Add some salt. And more lime. I want to chop up this cilantro. And I'm going to add avocado at the end, right before I'm ready to serve it. The final ingredients, some pepper. And give it a good mixture. And once it's done, I set it in the fridge for an hour. You know, depending how long do you want the fish to cook, and serve it nice and cold. Here we go, it's ready. Nice and cold, just got out of the fridge. Oh, look at this goodness. Oh, let me try it. Oh my god. That's so good. Let me set this plate. And this stuff, once it comes out, it is just, it's so perfect, so beautiful. Like, you don't really need to decorate the plate. You just set it right there, just like that, nice and simple. You don't have to get fancy because it's already so great looking. Throw a couple of cilantro pieces on top, maybe a few on the side, and that's it. Simplicity, and it works. Whoo! So ready to go take this down. Let's go. More recipes are coming. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this ceviche.